A really powerful feature within LeadKlozer is the ability to have a complete search engine at your disposal. And with this, I mean that you can grab anything you need about a potential lead within just a few clicks. From the dashboard, we have the smart links, and once pressed, once hover over it, you'll see that we have smart links, short links to super engager leads, super engager customers, the missed comment tracker, my scripts, live tracker columns, my Facebook page inboxes, and these are just shortcuts. But once pressed, let's go to the super engager leads, for example, you can just have a complete overview of your most engaging leads, numbered from the top score all the way down to the most lowest score. And this is a great way for you, and it takes a little bit of time to load. There it is. And you will have a good overview of your most engaging leads within just one click. So once pressed, you will have all the information with the smart profile being fetched. This person has interacted with my business 123 times, and you can see what kind of engagement it had. You can respond to that, and you also have all the information on the left hand side. And this is a great way to really search for any kind of potential lead you might want to follow up with. You can also see the potential follow-up schedules, and if there is none, you can just press the plus sign and follow up, create a follow-up schedule with this directly. So having a smart search, basically a Google search engine for your lead system inside of LeadKlozer, is a great way to find what you need in just a few clicks.